Hi guys, I miss you and I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about mental strategies for multiplication and division, okay? And I think this topic is so easy. Now look at this table. Here we have the numbers from 1 to 10 and we have to multiply them by 3. We can solve like this. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 equals 12, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 times 6 equals 18, and 21, 3 times 8, 24, and 27, and 30. Now, if we have, for example, 0.3, like this, we can say 0.3 times 1, 0.3. 0.3 times 2, 0.6. 0.3 times 3, 0.9. Now, 0.3 times 4. Don't tell me that the answer is 0.12, okay? Because we know that the answer is 1.2, okay? Remember, 0.3 times 5, 1.5. 1.8, and so on. 2.1, 2.4, 2.7, and 3.0. Okay? So, these are the answers. Now, here we have this equation. Use the table to help you work out. 4 times 0.3. 4 times 0.3. The answer is 1.2. So the answer is 1.2. Now, something times 6 equals 1.8. Something times 6, here we have 6, something times 6 equals 1.8, 0.3. Look from the table, 0.3. Now 2.4 divided by 3 equals something. Now, here we have division, okay? But here we have, in this table, we have a multiplication. So what we have to do here, we have to say, we know that, for example, 6 times 2 equals 12. At the same time, we can derive this fact that says 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And here we have the same thing. But here we have the point. Here we have this point. In order to answer this equation, hide the point. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Now, because we have the point here, okay, look, one digit. Here also we have the point. And if we don't have anything, we have 0. Okay? That's it. Now, in order to make sure that your answers are correct, we can say, for example, remember the steps that we know. Okay? For example, take this one. 4 times 0.3. We know that we can follow 3 steps. Step number 1, hide the point. Step number 2, multiply. Step number 3, put the point again. How? Put the point again. How? Divide by 10. Let's try. 4 times 0.3. Okay, let's write it here. 4 times 0.3. Hide the point. It will be 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, step number 2, multiply. Put the point again, how? Divide by 10. Divide by 10, yes, like this. Okay, 12 divided by 10. Now, we know that 12 divided by 10, it will be 1.2. 1.2. That's it. Okay? That's it. Because also here we have very important note, which is if we have 12, for example, we have a hidden point. And if we want to divide by 10, this point will move to the left. Okay? How many places? 1 place. So it will be 1.2 as we said. Okay? Okay. Now, at the same time, we know that we have 3 steps in order to divide. Divide when we have decimals. Okay? When we have decimals. Now, if we have this calculation, if we have, for example, 2.4 divided by 3 equals something, okay? Now we can say we have to follow 3 steps. Step number 1, hide the point. Okay, hide the point. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Divide, okay? Put the point again, because here we have the point, here we have the point. So, we have 3 steps. Step number 1, hide the point. The same steps. Hide the point. Step number 2, here we have divide. Step number 3, put the point again. How? Divide by 10. Okay, like this one. Okay? For example, if we have 1.5, okay, divided by 5 equals what? Hide the point. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Put the point again. How? Divide by 10 equals 0.3. Okay? I think this topic is so easy. Now we have to derive facts, okay, as we did when we talked about mental strategies for addition and subtraction. Okay, we have to derive different facts. For example, if we have now we have to derive different facts. For example, if we have 3 times 6 equals 18, we can derive different facts. How? We can say, for example, we can say here, we can say 0.3 times 6 equals, here we put the point. Also here we have to put the point. Okay, so this is the first fact. We can say 3 times 0.6 equals what? Also 1.8. Because here we put the point, here we have to put the point again. Okay? Also, we can derive this fact. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. If we put, for example, here the point, we can put here the point. Okay? Also, we can say 18 divided by 0.3. Okay? Equals what? Equals 60. Okay? 18 divided by 3, 0.3 equals 60. Okay. Now we can derive these facts. After that, I would like to remind you that we talked about double means what? Times 2. Now divide or half means what? Divided by 2. Okay? Now, also we talked about product, and we said that the product means what? The number you get when you multiply 2 or more numbers together. Like if we have 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 is the product here. Okay?